Good afternoon, welcome back to the vlog. It is Monday and it is 2:10. So a couple of little jobs to start with. Picked up, went for a ride down to Sheffield to Forge Masters. Picked up nothing because someone had put the job on incorrectly and I was meant to be picking up an Osset. Excuse me. So that didn't quite go to plan. So turned round at Forge Masters and headed back up to Osset. Forge Masters being in Sheffield. Then took a container down to Leeds, dropped it at the container base, back to HIAB, swapped trailers again, and into Cleckheaton to pick up this beast. It's 4.4 metres wide at the top with the lips, cross strapped front and rear. We can't go over, there's no strapping points off the frame, which there normally are. So all we've got is front and back, but it's pulling four ways, forwards and backwards, left and right. Marker boards don't reach, so the flags are on. I'm going to charge up the lights and have them on for the morning as well. I want to figure out where I'm going to put them. We'll figure it. We'll probably sit quite nicely in there, to be fair. So we're dumping it down here at Chain Bar for the night and setting off at 4 AM because we won't get round the Manchester curfew tonight. And it doesn't like having us out with massive loads if we don't need to be. It's going up to Glasgow. It can be done in 1 and a bit runs. We will be stopping probably at Southwaite for a break. I've got Danny with me escorting. He's already gone because he's got another job to do today. Another reason why we're not setting off. But yeah, she's some beast on there. There's another section to go as well, which is a lot smaller. The HIAB's taking that up. We estimate the weight for this at about 14 tonne. And we've only got a 71 tonne metre crane going up because they told us it's a lot lighter. But Daz just loaded me with the big Fassi. And it struggled, not massively, but yeah, we reckon 14 tonne. So I'm going to pull this out, drop the trailer, pull the wagon out, and then I'm going to cordon off from that cone over there to that cone over there. I'm also going to move that trailer because it's been dumped there for about 6 months. Park it over there somewhere so I can get out easily in the morning, especially if we've got it all blocked off, barriered off. If not, we're going to be waking people up and telling them to get out the freaking way. So I'll leave you for now and I'll come back to you tomorrow, somewhere on the M6 I would imagine, maybe at Southwaite. So I'll catch you in a bit. Well, made it. We are up at Diageo in Renfrew, just north of Glasgow, Paisley area. Been an interesting drive up with weather, a lot of water on the roads. Had to divert around one set of roadworks because we just couldn't get through them. And now got about an hour's waiting to turn up with the HIAB. And this is the view from the mirror. give you a little bit of indication of how much I can actually see behind me, and it ain't a lot. So Danny's done a good job as always, escorting me up. And now the downside is the cabin is the wrong way around on my trailer. So instead of being able to back up into place, lift it up, put it down, I'm gonna have to drive up to it and then work out how to get out from underneath it, especially if Wayne can't manage to lift it. So that's going to be an interesting one. And I don't think I'm going to be able to record on here either. I might try to get some sneaky footage with the phone or with this on the slide, but yeah, there won't be any major footage. So I'll come back to you tomorrow. I've got a few more big loads to do this week, so hopefully I can get some footage from them. Catch you in a bit. Morning, 2 o'clock, Friday morning, in Stockport. Loaded this up yesterday. Should have been setting off, but yesterday went badly, so ended up not going with it. Got to be in Hatfield for 6:30. Poor old Danny has had a 1 o'clock start to get here to pick me up. Oh, right. I think we're just about ready to go, so let's crack on. Come back in a bit. Welcome back. It's now 6 hours later. In Hatfield, been here for about an hour and a half. Got here at 6:30. Just in time for curfew to kick in. Started debagging while the crane is rigging up over there. So this is the lump. Running at 16'4", 4.2 meters wide. So running at 4.95 meters by 4.2, or 16'4" by 12-ish foot, 12'6", something like that. And all of that weighs a total of 2.3 tons. That pipe and the other metalwork probably weigh about as much as that tank does. It's pathetic. We've got ballast wagon inside of me. Putting down the rigging up. Took all my flares off, took some straps off. Just waiting for them to be ready. There's 2 small cranes and a big one. I don't know what we're using. So they're going to have to top and tail it, stand it up. So I don't know why there's 2 small cranes here, unless they're using those 2. Like I say, there's no weight in it, and that big crane could be for something else. Shut that for now. Once I'm done here, I'm going to try to get a bit of back of the cab footage. But other than that, that's me done for the week. I have got some footage. I haven't started editing yet. I don't know what it's going to be like from when I was up in Scotland. I'll get what I can get out of it, but it might not be the best of, might not have been the best of videos this week, and I do apologise if that's the case. I can only do what I can do, and quite frankly, I've not been in the mood this week. And yesterday's morning's job didn't go to plan. The tank got rejected, so I didn't get that offloading footage. So come back next week. I'll see if I can do a bit better. I've not even looked to see if I've bought my phone yet, so I've no idea what's going on. But catch you next week.